Well, this holiday season, it's important to stay safe. And here with some holiday season electrical tips, we have Rusty Wise from Mister Sparky, and Mister Sparky is here today indeed. How you doing?
Great to be here.
No doubt, thank you.
No malarkey.
Yeah, when we have Mister Sparky, that when he's here, you know, that safety, and that's what we're going to be talking about, right?
Yeah, we bring him out around the holidays. He acts good around the holidays.
Okay.
Santa might be watching.
Okay, well, let's talk about the holiday lighting, all the things that's going on. When we first start, let's start with these receptacles here.
Well, these are smart receptacles, and with Alexa and all the apps, you can turn your Christmas lights on and off now, which is so cool. Like they'll come on at sunset. There's apps now. We have an app that you can turn your Christmas lights on and off anytime at night, go off at midnight, and you don't have to use these little timers anymore. And of course, with smart home devices, you need surge protection. And we have our own brand of surge protection there.
Okay, all right, so let's talk about the smart home devices since we're talking about it.
Yeah, with smart homes is like your Alexa. It's like you can install receptacles, switches, like a switch here. You can cut it on with your app on your phone. And like I say, the receptacle itself, it can turn on with the app. And it's fully automatic. I mean, you can put it, when you pull in the driveway, you can turn your Christmas lights on. You can turn your bedroom light on.
You could do all that stuff?
Yes, yes. It's kind of scary, but yes, yes, to where you don't have to think anymore.
Okay.
You know, smart homes means you don't have to think.
Okay, all right.
Yep.
Well, let's talk about holiday lighting.
Holiday lighting over the weekend, just right out of Thanksgiving holiday. People were putting up as Christmas decorations. Well, the biggest call we get is GFCI's tripping, and that's these receptacles that have the button here. And it trips, and it's generally because water is getting in the connections. And one of the simplest things you could do, now you can buy this connector here that will keep water out.
It keeps all the water out.
But you can go buy you a bag of Ziploc bags for pennies on $1 and put that connection in there.
And that works?
Yes, it works.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, just pennies on $1. Keeps the water out of the connections.
Okay, we're talking about holiday lighting still a little bit.
Well, if you're like me, what I used to do is go throw the lights, because at the end of Christmas, it's over. You want everything balled up, but do not ball up your Christmas lights.
And I do it all the time, and I got breaking bulbs and stuff, and things don't work.
Find you a piece of cardboard, a piece of plastic, wrap the line of Christmas lights around that, and then you can untangle them very easy. Don't throw them in a ball, or you'll be buying new ones every year.
Okay, before we get out of here, quickly let's talk about the smoke detectors, and then let's get into with this here.
My electrician says, what are you talking about on your show? And they said, please talk about space heaters and smoke alarms, because what happens, you need smoke alarms, so we have our own brand of smoke alarms. But what happens every year?
Show this right here.
Last week, this is an example that we brought to the show, but my electrician said, please talk about this. What happens is space heaters pull a lot of power, and they wind up plugging a space heater into a strip. You're not supposed to do that.
Don't do that.
The little ceramic heaters, the space heaters, you know, the new ones looks like a little fireplace. Yes. Well, last week they went and they thought the smoke alarm was beeping. It was one of those little fireplaces, and it beeps because it wasn't getting enough air. So if you hear beeping, it may not be a smoke detector, it may be a space heater.
Maybe a space, and so the rule of thumb is do not put that into that extension cord.
Well, if you read the directions, it says don't do that, but nobody reads the directions, especially me, and you know, my wife tells me. Anyway, these are directions that says plug it straight into an outlet and not into a strip like this.
Gotcha.
Strips are very dangerous. These are high-load devices.
All right, it's MrSparkyCharlotte.com that you get more information and all these are safety tips. Mr. Sparky, no more malarkey. Thank you for being here, sir.
Yeah, go to the website, call Mister Sparky, he'll get you fixed up. No more malarkey, call Mister Sparky. And hope everyone has a happy holiday season.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.